So now for this one, it says, which binomial is a factor of the quadratic trinomial x squared minus 7x plus 12? All right, so any one of these could be a factor. So let me talk the shortcut way to do this. So 12 has a prime factorization. In other words, there's so many ways that you could do this. You could say 6 times 2, right? And then 6 is basically 2 times 3 times 2. So when we think of the factors of 12, it could be 6 times 2. It could be 4 times 3 and 12 times 1. Right? Those are the different combinations of numbers that we can multiply. So we need, and so this is a 4, here's a 2, here's a 6, here's a 3. So we're literally going to have to factor this thing to figure out which one belongs. Okay? So let's just draw the grid. Sometimes you can get lucky. Sometimes you can find one that's factored in such a way that you don't have to factor the whole thing. But in this case, you can't. So I write the first term down, which is x squared. I write the last term down, which is positive 12. And I'm going to say x times x. So I don't know which one of these I'm going to choose, but I know I have a clue in the sense that I got to figure out the middle term. Now the middle term is negative 7. Immediately, I forget about this and I forget about this. There's no way that I can add up or subtract 6 and 2 and get 7. There's no way that I can add or subtract 12 and 1 and get 11. Or I mean not 11, get 7, but 4 plus 3 equals 7. So if I make this a 4 and I make this a 3 and I multiply it out, I get 3x and positive 4x. Well, that's not good. I want it to be negative. But I could say negative 3, which gives me a negative 3x, and I could say negative 4, which gives me a negative 4x, and negative 4 times negative 3 does add up, or does multiply out to be a positive 12. So this would be x minus 3 times x minus 4, all right? This one won't work. This doesn't work. This doesn't work, but this one is. This one does. This one works. Did I ever show you guys how to properly fill out a bubble?
You gotta fill it all the way in.
Yeah.
They taught us that on the PSAT.